Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you TP-Link Deco X50 versus Deco X55. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video.
Here you will see. This is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about Wi-Fi technology. TP-Link Deco X50 provided Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax and X55 provided Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax. So both are equal. Now let's look at the speed. X50 provided up to 3000 Mbps AX 3000 speed and X55 provided up to 360 Mbps AX 360. So X55 is better. Now let's look at the coverage area. X50 provided. X50 provided coverage area up to 6000 square feet and coverage area provided by X55 is up to 7000 square feet. So X55 is better. Now let's look at the Ethernet ports. X50 provided 2 gigabit ports and X55 provided 2 gigabit ports plus one 2.5 Gbps port. So X55 is better. Now let's look at the backhaul. In X50 dual band is available and in X55 dual band with enhanced backhaul is available. So X55 is better. Now let's look at the MIMO support. Yes, this available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the security. X50 provided TP-Link, home care, antivirus, parental control security features, and it is also provided by X55, so both are equal. Now let's look at the AI-driven mesh. Yes, this available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the price. The price of X50 is typically lower, and the price of X55 is typically higher, so X50 is better. Now let's look at the processor. In X50, quad-core processor is available and it is also available on X55, so both are equal. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.